For all the first generation 1983 through 1992, I think, or 93 or 91, Venture, Royale owners that have that monitor system on the dashboard that tells you if your headlight, your tail light, your side stand is down, if your battery water level is low, if your headlight burns out, if your tail light burns out, and then you have a flashing warning light on your dashboard. Okay, here's what you do to make that flashing light go out. You go and you buy some 1,000 ohm resistors, half watt, and you put them in line with that wire. Here's what they look like. There's two of them there. All right, you solder. You take the line that's that has that probe that goes down into a wet cell of the battery. Back when they had wet cells, I don't know if you can still buy batteries like that, or if you have to buy batteries like that. But if you can't get batteries like that anymore, here's how you make that light go out. You remove the probe from that wire that used to have the dip sensor that goes into one of the cells of the battery. All right, and you solder a 1,000 ohm resistor in the line. And then you take that line and you hook it up to a 12-volt power source. That will satisfy the system and it will turn the light out. You got that? You solder a 1,000 ohm resistor, half watt, in the line. You remove the probe and you solder this on, and then you have a wire, an extension on the end of that, and you hook that up to any 12-volt source, and that will satisfy the computer and turn that warning light off on your dashboard. See ya.